And like I said earlier, if you do not have a following and want to start making money now, you will go in and contact these. Today, I am breaking it down for you. How you can actually make money on Instagram without a huge following, or really without a following at all. I know there was a lot of talk about making money on Instagram and how that is actually a thing, because it seems like all Instagram really is just a bunch of chicks posting pictures of themselves in bikinis. And yes, that is true, but it is not as simple as that. There are so many ways to leverage all the millions and millions and millions of people on Instagram to make a ton of money, not only if you do not have a following, but you can even leverage your small following of friends and family and just close acquaintances to making hundreds and hundreds of dollars per week if you follow this strategy I am about to detail for you right now. Let's go! What is going on, my people? I wanted to show you guys today about Instagram and how you can actually make money with it, because it is becoming very clear to me that a lot of people do not see it as clear as I do and see how you can clearly make money on Instagram using your following if you have one, or using a following that you don't have. So the very first step to making money on Instagram without a following is smashing that like button if you have not already, and subscribing down low to stay up to date with what is going on over here on Rhett's channel, so you can take advantage of these 5 videos coming out every single week where you can look out for them and be the first ones to watch and the first ones to take action on all of these amazing strategies, ways to make money online, and tactics with Amazon FBA. So without further ado, step 1 is to pick a niche. And yes, we are going to need to pick a niche that we are going to target, that we are going to sell to, because of course we're selling, that's how we're making money. Yeah, you can pick a niche and say, I like fitness, I like money, you know, like Mr. Krabs, I like money.
I like money.
No, but in all seriousness, we need to pick a niche, and what we need to do with that niche is, no, we don't need to just pick a niche that is finance or money or fitness. We need to niche down, and we need to niche down at least 2 levels, where not only are we picking fitness, but you could do diets and then keto. Or in this time, you could do fitness, workouts, and workouts from home. You got to niche it down to a small targeted audience where those people are more passionate and it is easier to convert. Because if you are sending an offer and you're paying for a post or doing whatever you're doing to sell your product, and you're selling it to and providing it to a large group of untargeted people, your conversion rates are going to be a lot lower, and it's just going to be a lot less effective. Like if you had a keto offer, for example, where you're offering a keto ebook and a keto plan, or maybe even for women in the makeup industry, a makeup ebook and maybe a how to do your eyelashes or something, course or ebook, and you offer that to a group that is just primarily fitness or primarily beauty, there's going to be a massive amount of people in that group, yes, but at the same time, the people in that group may not all enjoy or partake in the keto diet or really care about makeup and eyelashes. I don't know, but the point is you want to niche down and have a very specific audience. And a tip for you here is to focus on the women. Because with Instagram is very visual. It is all pictures and videos and Photoshop and all kinds of that stuff. And primarily that audience is women. And of course, women are historically easier to sell to, as they're most likely the shopaholics. They like shopping and they have a lot more things that they need compared to guys. Like guys don't need makeup, guys don't need eyelash stuff. They don't need, I don't know. But you could definitely target the women, educate yourself a little bit, and just pick a product that is more targeted towards women. Because, like I said, that sells better and sells easier, and that is the lowest hanging fruit. So step 2 is attracting more followers. And yes, with that last step, we are making an Instagram page and we are building out an Instagram page, an Instagram profile. So we are picking a niche, and like I said, you can do keto, whatever you're passionate about, whatever is niche down, and whatever is also popular. So you could do beauty, and you could have a beauty page. And with that, you want to post content. You want to have viral content, repost viral content that has already proven to be popular and proven to get views and likes and comments and shares within Instagram. And no, you do not have to be a professional photographer. You do not have to have a camera. You simply need to take what works, as in literally take that post and post it on your page. And no, we're not copying, but we are copying. We are copying directly. We are taking a post, putting it on our page, but we are giving credit to that person, giving credit where credit is due. If that person posted that and they made that and that is their original content, you can take that, post it, and just tag them in the thing saying, look, this guy, they made this post. But we're posting on our page to not only grow our page, but at the same time, that is free advertising for the person we just tagged in our post because we used their post. So it's a win-win for both of us. As you are doing that, you're going to consistently post and consistently build a page and a following and a loyal fan base to where later you can market to and you can sell to really get a lot of sales because of the very niche and specific market and category of people you formed. So number 3 comes to the money making time. We're all about the money. You're like, Red, okay, sweet, build an audience, yada, yada, yada. What about the money? How do we make money? What are the different ways of making money on Instagram? So there are 2 ways. There is using your own following, your following that you have built based on your page and based on maybe a page you already have or your personal following, but we are using your following. Or there is the paid way on using other people's following to distribute and market to generate sales for us. And I tell you what, it has not been unheard of for someone to make $70,000 in a week with this. It all depends on your followers, the engagement that they have, the loyalty that they have, as well as the products you are offering. Because again, you want to lead with a giving hand. You do not want it to just be like, here, take my $500 product, buy it now, buy it now. You can't just be Dwight Schrute and just yell at people to say, buy it now, act now, do this now. It doesn't work that way. I'm sorry. So you have to lead with a giving hand, but like I said, it's not been unheard of to do $70,000 in a week. It's very, very possible with the right product and the right audience. Now let's run through an example, run through a scenario and kind of some realistic statistics of how all this might work and average conversion rates and average prices and calculate kind of really how much you might earn for just this little bit of a strategy. So for example, let's say you have 2,500 followers and you post a Instagram story. And we'll say a very average and very realistic broad range of people that view this would be anywhere between 3 and 10%. We'll say 90 to 250 people. That's a very broad range, but 90 to 250 people see your story. And in this story, it is providing something for free. It is telling them to swipe up or to DM you to claim this free ebook, free object, free something related to your niche. If it's keto, maybe a free keto, how to start keto book. Or if it's makeup, how to apply your makeup correctly ebook. I don't know. I don't know anything about makeup, but that's okay. So next time you post a story, whether it's the next day or a couple days from then, you're going to offer a free ebook. To be realistic, let's say only 10% convert. 10% of that range, we're going to say 12 people convert. Out of the entire group of people that have viewed our story, only 12 people convert. So with that, 12 people times a $15 offer is 180 bucks. And again, we're using very realistic numbers, so we're not going to shoot the moon. We're going to tell you what's probably minimum on what you can earn and then have it exceed your expectations. So 12 people convert on your $15 product and you've already made 180 bucks. So next story, you post another story with a different product. Of course, you're saying, hey, DM me, swipe up. I've got this great product that's going to help you crush your diet or make you look absolutely fabulous and beautiful with your makeup routine. And this is actually a $197 product where this is going to teach you some more things in depth and really help you understand the ins and outs of what you're wanting to do. And we'll say out of those 12 people, only 2 people buy. Only 2 people out of those 12, or maybe even 1. But for this example, we're going to say 2 people buy. Out of those 12, 2 people buy the $197 product. And right there, you just made $394 off of those 2 sales in that one Instagram story post. And now in combination with all of those posts, those 2 things you just sold, you made $574, $180 off of the 12 people that bought the $15 product, $394 off of the 2 people that bought your $197 product. So that leaves you with $574 from leveraging your audience and leveraging your ability to sell and affiliate market someone else's product. And don't be fooled. There are tons and tons and tons and tons of people doing this, leveraging this strategy, because you're talking to an audience that is specific, that is niche, that is honed and passionate, where they are ready to buy. They may not know it, but you're coming in there offering a product to them that is going to help them reach their goals. And so, like I mentioned, you can leverage your own audience, or you can pay someone else to post and you can leverage their audience. So for example, you can come into popular pages and contact these people. As you can see right here, Beautify Basics, they have a ton of followers, and you can basically DM this person and say, hey, I want to do a post on your page. I want to basically leverage your audience to sell my product, to be able to make some money for myself, leveraging your audience. Obviously, you're not going to say that and put it that way, but you can either DM them, and some of these people actually have their email for DMs and for inquiries right in their bio. And I know you're thinking, okay, running the page, I don't know if I want to run a page because I may have to display myself and show my face and do live events and stuff like that to really grow my page correctly. And no, not necessarily, but if you really want to go, I think that is a good idea. And if you want to create a makeup page and you're a dude like me that knows nothing about makeup, you can even have someone else do that for you. You do not have to be the face of the Instagram page to be successful and make a ton of money. Like this, they have this person linked in their bio. I bet you this chick runs this page for the actual page owner. So they are doing basically a collaboration where it's most likely a dude running that page, and he's got this chick actually helping him with the makeup, the tutorials, and showing how the stuff is done rather than him getting on there because he doesn't know anything about makeup. And like I said earlier, if you do not have a following and want to start making money now, you will go in and contact these people in your niche and negotiate with them for a shout out, for a post, for a story post, for a page post, so you can advertise and promote your product and be able to start making money now rather than waiting and building up an audience and leveraging that audience down the road. Which, if you want to do that at first, make some money while you're leveraging your audience, while you're building your audience right now, I think that is a great idea because you can make money now. And then you can also be growing your audience so you can make money on that one later and just combine them both for super gains, bro. So the products we offer are going to come from a couple sources. The affiliate offer, the paid offer, is going to be coming from ClickBank, as you can see right here. And ClickBank is a huge platform and a huge marketplace where you can select these products related to your niche, whether it's fitness or keto or makeup or hiking outdoors or whatever it may be. Whatever your niche is, you would come in here and find a product that you can promote. So for example, we can come in here and type keto, and we can find one of these. And simple keto test, that could be a great product you would do. So whatever product you find, you're gonna come in here and click promote, and this is going to give you your hop link. And this basically is your affiliate link that you include in the product page. But the cool thing about all of these is you would sort by popularity, and this is going to be showing you the best selling products to where the products that are selling the best will have the best material. They want you to succeed as you are selling their product. So they want to give you all the material, all the landing pages, all the advertising materials, all the pictures, all of everything if it's a good product. And if it's at the top here, it is most likely a good product because it is selling very, very well. So they will have all the material necessary for you to succeed and for you to advertise. All of the landing pages for you, all of the material, like I said, so it becomes very, very easy. And so when you post a link, the link that you're going to be posting inside of these posts should be a ref URL Manychat link, where you can come over here into Manychat and be able to make a ref URL link where it is basically a link generated by Manychat, where when they click on that link, it sends them over to Facebook Messenger, and you can distribute that flow, get their email. That is the main thing you want to do, is not to just send them directly to the affiliate page, but you want to be able to get their email so later if they do not purchase, you can email market to them later. So with this, you would build a flow out, and that's what they're kind of called here in Manychat, but you would build a flow out where it gives them access to the landing page of the product, or gives them access to the free product you're leading with up front. And basically, to get that free product, you are asking for their email. So later, like I said, you can email market down the road in case they do not buy, say, the $197 product, but they buy the $15 product. So you're not left in the dust, because think about it like this. If you just linked directly that $197 product, that would kind of defeat the whole process here. But say if you had two products, say if you had the $15 product link from ClickBank and then you had a $197 link from ClickBank. What if you just had two posts where you linked the $15 product and then you had to pay for another post or do another post for the $197 product, that wouldn't be as effective because, again, you would have that email. You wouldn't have their email to later market to them. And if you're leveraging someone else's following, that would be 2 posts you would have to do. If you can get them in Manychat, subscribe to your bot, as well as pick up their email, no matter what they do, as long as they claim that free ebook or free offer, you can still market to them down the road because you have their email. And obviously it's best to be able to do both, be able to have your own following and leverage other people's following to be able to generate money from here and money from here and just combine it into a serious amount of money because you are leveraging a very targeted audience with a very targeted offer, leading with a free offer, offering a sort of expensive $15 product, and then later for the people that are very interested and very wanting to learn more and wanting to take action on this specific niche, a even more expensive product where yes, the conversion rates are going to be a lot lower, but all you need is a couple on a $197 product and you're making almost $400 off of these conversions. And at the end of the day, with that example we gave, it was a very conservative percentage where you were not converting a massive amount and a massive amount weren't watching your story. I was being very conservative with it all just to say, hey, kind of at least you could make about $500 with leveraging an audience of 2,500 people. And that's really not that much. 2,500 people is chump change. That's assuming that is your audience and not even leveraging someone that has a massive audience. So really, it kind of gets your brain rolling. What you guys got to do really is, like we discussed, find a niche, start building at your page. And if you do not want to be patient and you want to start making money now, then you identify a very specific page where you can ask them how much is a shout out, 10, 20, 30, 50 bucks, whatever it is. You can pay them that and you can start this process of offering them that free ebook, getting them sent to your Manychat, collecting their email, and later on marketing to them the $15 offer and then the $197 offer to getting them to convert even more. And all while you're doing this, you're building your own page and building your own audience so you can do the same with that, but without having to pay anyone for it. So guys, I think I cracked the code. I think I cracked this open for you very well on how you can actually make money with the social media platform that is really just dominated by women posting pictures in their bikinis. And not saying that's a horrible thing, but it can be done. You can make money with Instagram. And this is a very simple and easy way you can do to leverage other people's pages, even your own page, with a very specific audience and a very specific targeted offer that can really start converting highly for you. And of course, the more people you have, the more it scales, the more opportunity you have for huge growth and huge paydays. That's why some people make $70,000 in a week because they're leveraging an audience of 30,000 people or whatever it is, and they're making a ton of money off of that because the more people, the more conversions, even if it's the same percentage. It's simple math. So guys, if you enjoyed that, I know I had fun. I know you had fun. I know you learned something new today, and I am so pumped for you to see if you want to try this out, see if you can put this into action and start really bringing in some extra income for yourself, for your family, and be able to do what you like and start being able to live life like it is truly meant to be lived. And once again, guys, happy hustling.